everyone, I'm Ian Fennelly and I want to tell you about my new online workshop series which is called Sketch Route 66. I'm so excited. Now, Route 66 is the most famous highway in America, stretching from Chicago to LA, or so the song goes. It's legendary for its ghost towns and its pieces of Americana. Now, in this series of workshops, we're going to take an imaginary trip down this highway, stopping at 4 sites along the way. We will be travelling virtually from west to east, starting at Hackberry, Arizona, a former mining town. Here we will explore all the signs and vintage gas pumps and barrels at the Hackberry General Store. Next, we'll sketch a building in Oakland, Arizona, another silver mining town that went from boom to bust in the early 1900s. In this sketch, we will capture one of the wild donkeys that roam through the town. Next, we're going to sketch the Palomino Motel in New Mexico with its enormous 1960s sign covered in hundreds of light bulbs and neon lights. Finally, we'll finish our imaginary trip down Route 66 in Missouri, where we will sketch an historic gas station covered in vintage Coke signs and gas signs and so on, and where you can buy gas for 15 cents a gallon. Absolute bargain. I'll be breaking down my process into 6 or 7 stages, and you'll be able to watch over my shoulder in real time as the sketch progresses. To subscribe, please visit www.studio56boutique.com. Click on the pull down menu called Online Workshops, and you can subscribe to just one workshop, or at a discount, you can subscribe to all 4 of them. So guys, it's going to be super fun, and I really hope you can join me.